I decided to order the Angry and signed a waiver for this dang thing. I was definitely shocked when I saw that I had to sign a waiver because it was too intense, apparently. Got here. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. That thing looks red hot. Got some fries. Let me drink. Let's open this up. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at that, boy. My God. They said I couldn't do it. They said I couldn't do it. Okay. Angry Birds, hottest chicken sandwich they got. Yeah. I don't know what Scoville units this thing is. That thing literally looks deadly. Oh.
Ah, boy, here we go.
That is hot. My face is already turning red. Are you ugly? Man. Okay, I gotta put the AC on. Let's go for bite number 2. Oh. Oh, but it's hurting. About to bite the ass of this thing. Here we go.
It's enough to get me to the boiling point.
Okay.
This is number 2. I don't think I'm gonna have much luck with it. This thing is too good to put down. But I have to. I don't know what it was. I couldn't take it though. Every time I took a bite, I would spill. Tongue is on fire. My throat is on fire. I feel like crap. I guess that's it. Ruined this one. Here's what's left. That's what I got left. Some fries and a couple bites left. You gotta admire that quality of chicken right there. It's just incredible. Incredibly spicy, incredibly painful. What would I give the quality of the sandwich though? Seriously, a straight 10 out of 10. The most tender chicken I've ever had in my life. So if anyone's near the Sacramento area, come on down. That's a 10, baby. Alright, until next time. Peace.
If you ever